Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the Taylor 614 CE Limited. But before we do so, I want you to click on the link below. We currently have thousands of subscribers to the Acoustic Letter. Below are their testimonials. If you like what they have to say, go ahead and sign up. I'll be very happy that you did so. On to this Taylor Limited 614 CE. This guitar is a sweetheart of a guitar. It is designed with both the player and looks in mind. It's a very, very cool instrument. We have on this 614 CE Limited, obviously a cutaway, on a Euro spruce top with an ebony bridge pins, tusk saddle, koa purfling used throughout, bordered with ivoroid binding, a koa rosette, and an ivoroid trimmed sound hole, stark black ebony fingerboard with both koa and ivoroid inlays. The fingerboard's also bound in ivoroid. An 1 3/4 tusk nut. We have an ebony head cap with Taylor inlaid in ivoroid, also bound in ivoroid. Gold Goto 510 tuners, mahogany neck, the Taylor expression system, and what makes this thing an absolutely gorgeous Limited from Taylor is the beautiful piece of striped African ebony that they use on the back. This is an absolutely gorgeous piece, has really strong contrasting figure, and sounds great as well. So, we're going to give the 614 CE a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.